All right, so I'm in the mood for some pasta salad. I'm gonna make dill pickle pasta salad. I'm boiling my water right here. I'm gonna be using chickpea rotini, which in my opinion is much healthier than regular pasta. This has 19 grams of protein per serving. I'm pretty sure the ingredients are literally just chickpea ingredients, chickpea. So it's just like ground up chickpea pasta. I want to use 1 or 2 boiled eggs, mayonnaise, I think sour cream, onion, some pickle juice, dill, probably some cucumbers, but I'm just going to throw some stuff in there. I just used half this box, which is 12 ounces, so I did 6 ounces of chickpea rotini pasta. I'll let that cook. I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil in the water so it doesn't boil over. Alright, so I think I'm going to use 2 of my boiled eggs. I'm not good at this. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut these. Cut them apart. Cut them however you want. It doesn't really matter. Just chop them. Cut your finger off. Like that. I used to have a ring camera, a ring light, but it broke. Okay. I don't normally put cucumbers in these, but these are going bad, and it should work in a dill salad since they are pre-pickles. All my fancy chopping methods. There we go. Good. Put that in there. All right, my onion. Sure, people are gonna say things about my cutting stuff. I really don't care. I'm cutting it. It's getting in small pieces. It's going in the bowl. I'm not a chef. I'm just a mom, and I don't care. I think I'm gonna probably do maybe a little bit more. This one's real jacked up. Okay. Yes. I don't know if I want all that. Whew. Burning my eyes. All right, so this is what we're working with. You don't have to do cucumbers because you can put pickles, but I just wanted to use mine up. And you also don't have to go so heavy on the onion like I did. I just love my pasta salad to be kind of tangy. All right, so I'm just winging this today, and I don't have any whole dill pickles, so I'm just going to cut up some of my little pickled chips, and then I'll be using some of this juice in there. All right, so that's all my chopped ingredients, and then here is the chickpea pasta. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in, and then I'll make the sauce or the dressing. This dressing recipe is technically for 12 ounces of pasta, which I did not make, but I did add a lot of extras in here, and I usually like a little bit extra of the dressing or sauce, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna make the 12-ounce amount, and then I just may have a little bit left over. I'd rather have extra than not enough. All right, sorry, I don't have a camera stand anymore, so it's hard for me to do these videos. All right, so 1 cup of mayonnaise. And you can use light mayonnaise if you are worried about calories, which is a lot of mayonnaise. And then I'm gonna do a half cup of sour cream. Again, this is for the 12-ounce recipe. So you may want to half this if you're using the 6 ounces like I actually am. Okay. Good enough. All right, so I can't find my 3rd cup, but I'm going to do this 4th and then put some extra of the pickle juice. All right, and then I need 1 tablespoon of dill. If you have fresh chopped where it's less condensed, you might want 2. This is like chopped. Okay, so that's a heaping tablespoon of dill, which I spilled everywhere. And then I'm just going to do salt and pepper to taste. Okay, so I forgot to add cheese, and I don't have cheddar cheese, so I took some string cheeses and I chopped these up, and I'm going to toss those in there. Okay, so this is what it's looking like before I mix it. Actually meant to do my dressing in a separate bowl, and I forgot to do that, so this will be a little messy. Okay, so it's all mixed in. It's a little extra juicy because I forgot to put that extra sauce on the side, but I'm okay with it. It looks really good. You could put like maybe bacon bits in this. Whatever toppings you want, really. Some peppers, bell peppers. But I just think it's really good. I have bacon bits, but I'm not a huge fan of bacon bits. But there is the dill pickle pasta salad. Cover this and store it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes for it to get to the best taste, where you can get all the flavors incorporated. But this is the dill pickle pasta salad. It's so good.